Hi, I'm Ryan Souls, Enterprise Account Manager here at Skycatch. Today we're going to go over what's in the high precision package. Everything comes in this all-in-one ruggedized kit. It's very important that you check out your Explore One Quick Start Guide and the Explore One Safety Card. You'll want to review these and always follow the safety checklist before each flight. We're going to start with the Explore One drone. You're going to lift the drone by its nose and the handle and place them in the blue foam markers. This is a nice elevated surface where you can service your drone. The Explore One drone is built by DJI on the Matrice 100 airframe with 3 proprietary Skycatch components. First, the Sync 1 camera, a mechanical shutter, 20 megapixel camera with a shutter speed of 1/2000th of a second. Second, a high precision GNSS receiver. And finally, the Air 1 onboard computer. This is where the SD card is located and where your photos are written during the flight. These 3 components work together to create high resolution photos with extremely precise geotags, and accounts for the HPP's 2 to 5 centimeter accuracy without the need for ground control points. The Explore One also has the option to add a secondary gimbal camera, perfect for capturing oblique images and using the drone for inspection. The kit also includes the Edge One Intelligent Base Station, a GNSS base station and in-field processing unit. We'll cover the setup and operation of the Edge One in a separate video. The kit also includes your standard DJI remote control, an iPad for planning your missions and operating the Edge One, pairs of props and spares, and charger kits for the batteries, remote control, and Edge One. We've also included 2 accessory kits. The accessory jar includes micro SD card adapters and readers, the iXpand drive, and a lens cleaner for the Sync 1 camera. The accessory bag includes iPad charging accessories and an Ethernet adapter for updating the firmware of the Explore One and Edge One. All right, that's everything in the kit, and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.